What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. Today we're doing an unboxing. Got this knife here. I don't know for a fact exactly what knife is in here, but I do sort of have an idea of what it may be. Of course, you already know by the title and thumbnail, you have an idea there. This knife is coming to me via the Lefty EDC knife pass around, so shout out to Lefty. And I believe this particular one is coming from Stafford's EDC, so I'll be putting that channel also in the description, so you check out his channel. He also goes over knife and EDC content as well. That being said, we're gonna go right into it. Doing the honors today, we have the Tuya Mutt, right? This awesome EDC knife right here. This is a Colin Mason Pier or CM Knife Designs knife, and man, this thing has been a blast to EDC. I recently unboxed it in the channel and it's been in my pocket ever since, so check out the unboxing for this guy and the review for it. It's coming up very soon. Without further ado, let's go ahead and make an incision here. All right, make sure I don't go too crazy. All right, we're good there. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, perfect. We are inside. Let's see what we got going on here. Get this thing out of the way. Oh, we got plenty of packaging going on there to get it nice and stocked. Ooh, we got we got quite a bit going on here. And this was nowhere near close what I thought this would be, as a matter of fact. So yeah, this completely caught me off guard because this was not the knife I was expecting. So yeah, I'm in for a real treat, and I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. So we have two Kansept knife going on here, and I'll be linking these in the description if you guys want to check it out. Those affiliate links do help out the channel at no extra cost to you. This one is the Satin 154 cm Black G10, a Kansept maker. That is a design. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this one first. All right, let's see here. Without further ado, okay, these slide open like this. All right, very nice and interesting. Check out the geometry on the box right there. All right, go ahead and take this out. Boom. Then we have the instruction materials and things like that, and of course your good old silica gel, and that's about it, right, for the box. And then we have a nice pouch here, nylon pouch it looks like, and the Kansept logo embossed in this little leather loop, and boom, here it is. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at this one here. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay, first impressions. All right, I'm digging the G10. Is very nice and clean. Exposed liners going on here. This blade here sticks out quite a bit. I like that. Nice and aligned. All right, and deep pocket carry clip in black, which is not reversible for some reason. Really was expecting it to be reversible for my lefties out there, but probably talk more about that later. Let's get this thing open here. No flipper, so thumb deployment and reverse flick seem to be the only deployment options going on. Of course, I would fail the first attempt. Boom, there it is. Check it out. So I believe the model name here is Nesstreet, Kansept Nesstreet, and Kansept maker, as funny as that sounds, is an actual designer name. So Kansept maker, the knife designer, all right, he designed this one here. This is 154 cm. Man, check out this like harpoon looking drop point. I believe that might be the best way to classify this thing, because I'm not sure. Yeah, it goes up and then a little harpoon looking little, peak right here, then like a drop point. Nice belly looking sheep's foot. I don't know. You guys get the blade police out here to figure out what kind of blade shape this is. But awesome geometry. This is a hollow grind. This is more like I want to say like a flat grind. I don't feel it getting hollow. So flat grind going on up until this line right there. And let's get a feel for ergonomics on this bad boy. Ooh, okay, that feels really good. So yes, your index finger is locked in to this little, round area here. Boom, and then all other fingers follow suit. Ergonomically speaking, right, this feels pretty good right here in the hand. And I'm not sure on price for this, guys. I don't see this being ultra expensive. Definitely check out those affiliate links below if you want to check out the price. Of course, as of the unboxing, I'm not 100% sure what the price might be. And by the way, I'll be doing a quick first impressions unboxing experience in this video, but you can count on the fact that the review video will be coming up here in about a week or two. All right, liner lock is pretty good. This guy's some ball bearings. I want to say very drop shotty action. Check that out. Ooh, okay, that feels pretty good right there. All right, access to the liner. That's not bad at all. Got good access right there. It's not jimped, but I don't feel like it's necessary, right? Not needed to be jimped in this case because right? I get plenty of access to the liner lock right there. So thumb deployment is good. I like the sound of it. Listen to that. Ooh, that thing fires with a mean attitude. All right, what about the reverse flick? Should be pretty good. All right, I like that. I like that. So I'm trying it like this. All right, so that works. What if I put my nail behind it like this? Yeah, that won't work. So it has to be pushing it like that. There we go. Yeah, and this one might be, again, has been passed around by YouTubers from Lefty EDC's knife pass around. It might need maybe a tad bit more breaking in for the reverse flick to feel a little bit smoother. Right now, it's really had to give it the beans in order to get it to deploy. But man, like ergonomically, again, this thing feels really good. Right, doing a, let's see, Friday night gas station grip right here. We got the reverse grip. Okay, this one feels a little odd because of the shape, but it's not too bad. Okay, and a little bit of access to sharpening choil or plunge grind being way back here, so you still have a good amount of sharp inside of this guy. 154 cm, so very similar steel to some of the other knives that we have unboxed here in the channel recently. Let's do some size comparisons, of course. That's what we do here in the quick idea on this guy. It's a little bit on the medium to large size, right? So it's a tad bit shorter, if not exactly the same length as the PM2. Here is the Para 3 down below. All right, you guys be the judge right there. Got the AD 20.5 and the Shark's Foot blade, and we have the smaller brother, the Shark Cub, on the slicer blade. And yeah, it's actually going to be larger than the regular size AD 20.5, no doubt. Oop, why am I putting this guy away? Shouldn't do that. Kind of need it in frame. Here's the Rat Model 1 and the Rat Model 2. And it's just a tad bit smaller than the Rat Model 1. So somewhere in between those two, Rat Model 1 and Rat Model 2. And last but not least, I'm going to throw a wild card here. Here's some other knives that I have just unboxed in the channel. So check out the Divo Knives Growler right there, rocking the Stormtrooper Aesthetics coated black blade with white G10. And here is the Giant Mouse Ace Jagt right here. So very close to the Giant Mouse, actually, in that overall length. You guys take a look right there, let me know. But boom, that's just some quick size comparisons to give you guys a quick idea on this bad boy. It's a sharp, all right, let's see. Of course, it's not brand new sharp out of the box. It has definitely seen some use, but just for in the name of science, let's do a quick couple of cuts here. All right, the initial bite, all right, it definitely needs a little bit of slicing to bite on that first bite. But yeah, certainly it's going to be a slicer. All right, let's see. All right. Boom, there we go. All right, now we're in business. Yeah. You guys rate it on the comments there. In the comments, let me know on a scale from 1 through 10. How sharp is this guy? If it needs some stropping. So we know it can cut paper. What about some cardboard? When cutting cardboard, remember not to cut perpendicular like this, but rather at an angle like that. And let's see how this guy does. Let me get a good bear down grip going on here. Ooh. Ooh. This thing is a cardboard destroyer. Wow. Yeah, one last one right here. Cardboard who? Right? That cardboard is history. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was definitely very, very slicey for that cardboard. Like, as you could see, got a good grip on it and bam, slicing away, destroying that cardboard. Well, there is that knife right there. Again, this one is the Nesstreet, I believe. Again, Kansept maker is the designer. Well, there you guys have it. Those are the two Kansept knives that we just unboxed. Again, this one is the Nesstreet model name from Kansept maker, the designer, on 154 cm. This one is on S35 VN. It is the Colibri Tech. It's a K Maxrum design, and this is a big boy right here. Titanium handles going on. So you guys know the drill. Again, where's the Ace of Spades going on? You guys know the drill by now, guys. Again, these are just some quick reactions out of the box unboxing experience, so you guys get an idea what knives are coming up for review here in the channel very soon. I'm going to be EDCing these knives for about a week or two, and I'm going to be dropping a comprehensive review on the channel here on these knives very, very soon. So super excited for these. Hopefully you guys are just as excited as I am. Don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't already. At this point, go ahead and subscribe, because I make knife content like this on an ongoing basis, daily basis. And if you want to support the channel a step further, there's a link for Patreon down below. You can support the channel for as little as $1 a month. Chances are the review for the Microtech MSI is live on the channel right now, so if you want to check out that review, next I'll put a card right here for you. Guys, it's been a pleasure. If you hung out with me until the very end, you guys are the real MVPs. I really love you all. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.